Hi, my name is Christy Elliott, and I've really enjoyed the Highland Bay classes. Bill has been a great instructor. He's full of knowledge, just so much experience that he's been able to share with me that I'm looking forward to taking with me into the new home sales world. So I'm just super grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, this has been such an amazing class. I've learned more in this class than I have in the past 2 years I've been in resale. I absolutely think that this class helped me interview with a builder, and I actually got a job. So I definitely recommend this to people. It's amazing, and the teacher is awesome. It's really hard for me to focus, so it's been really easy with the teacher because he's so interesting, and he doesn't just read out of the book. He actually interacts with the class, and it's been really fun. Yeah, that's it.
This was an absolute fabulous workshop. I definitely recommend it for newbies and oldies. It was very informative, lots of information, very well done, with a little bit of humor. Bill adds his own little touch, and he's absolutely fabulous. So I would highly recommend it to old and new alike.
Hey guys, I'm Adrienne Morgan. I have joined this class at Highland Bay, and I absolutely adore it. It has been so helpful in just building my confidence, making me feel like I will be successful in this field. And I'm absolutely just looking forward to my new career. I'm looking forward to the just whole experience of what the instructor has been telling me about. He himself is so knowledgeable that he just makes it so enjoyable, so relaxed, because I was very tense initially when I first came into this program. So I am just feeling so confident. All that overwhelming feeling that I felt before has subsided. It's not completely gone, but I will say that I have been able to kind of overcome a lot of my nervousness. So I'm just looking forward to this program. I'm looking forward to actually putting everything that I'm learning in class into action. And I definitely recommend this class for anybody who wants to get into new home sales. These guys are the way to go. This corporation, I'm telling you, will not set you wrong. They are very helpful, and they guide you along the way. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys around.
I definitely recommend Highland Bay for anyone that wants to get into real estate at all. I mean, you don't have to be wanting to do new home sales. It teaches you how to sell to anybody, teaches you more in-depth on homes, and it's just a great overall tutoring service.
Hi, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. 4 words: you need this class.
I completely agree. As a new agent, I think this is probably one of the, if not the most beneficial classes I've ever taken, and I find myself listening to Bill, and he's answering questions I didn't even know that I had yet. So definitely recommend for.
His knowledge is amazing, and he goes over a ton of detail.
It's definitely, like you said, you need this class.
Yep. Yep.
I'm in the camera, I'm gonna go for it. All right, my name is Eric, and I am here from Colorado for the Highland Bay training. And I'm new to the industry, but I can already tell that everything that we've learned here, they give you all the tools to be successful. If you can implement them all, then you will find success, and not just a little bit, but great success. Everything has been awesome, and I would recommend it highly. Thank you.
Hi, my name is McKenna Green, and I'm a new home sales representative for a new builder. I value the time that I've spent with Highland Bay, and I appreciate the teachings and the techniques and the strategies that I have learned. I do believe that by implementing even half of what I've learned here will increase my sales dramatically, but the goal here is to implement everything in order to get the best results. I appreciate the knowledge that was provided to me here. It is recent. I was not presented with old statistics or outdated information. I was provided with current and upcoming and past. It was expressed that we learn from our experiences, and that is true in this industry in order to move forward. So I believe that I spent every minute of my time learning something new here, and it is a training that I will refer anyone to, and I will refer back to myself. So thank you so much.